Today, I'm excited to share an automation by Robert Breen that combines n8n's low-code power with SambaNova's hosted GPT-OSS-120B, one of the fastest open-source LLMs. It's a smart course recommendation system using surveys, data tables, and AI to suggest the best learning path.
So it's time to let's walk through each node step by step. First node, survey submission, form trigger. This is the starting point of the automation. It captures users' response directly from an embedded survey form, asking for their name, experience level with n8n, the type of automation support they are looking for. Then we have insert row data table. Once the form is submitted, this node stores the response inside the survey responses data table, ensuring every participant's data is logged and can be referenced later. Get available course data table. Next, this node retrieves all the available courses from the another table called courses. It contains courses name and short description for the model to compare against the survey response. Node 4, aggregated courses node. This node aggregates all courses entries into a single list, preparing the data for the AI model to analyze in one go. Then we have a convert to text set node. Here the list of courses is converted into a text format, making it readable for the large language model input prompt. Then we have a combined result merge node. The workflow then merges the survey answers with the formatted courses data so both can be sent together to AI model to contextual analysis. Node 7. Choose best course, SambaNova agent. This is the intelligent layer powered by SambaNova GPT-OSS-120B model. The model receives the combined data and determines the best fit course for each participant. It outputs a structured JSON with the recommended course name, a clear reasoning, and a direct URL for the course. Node 8, we have structure output parser. This ensures the AI's response follow a clean JSON schema, maintaining consistency and reliability in the output. Node 9, we have form, display node. Finally, the recommendation is present in a well-designed HTML form. It shows the chosen course, reasoning, and clickable link, giving a user a professional, personalized result instantly. So, to wrap up, this automation shows how AI can truly change the learning experience. By understanding each user's needs, it gives personalized course recommendation in seconds. It saves time, keeps learners engaged, and makes education smarter and more adaptive for everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.